Welcome to a demonstration of the weather display example application running on Texas Instruments' new Tiva TM4C129X Connected Development Kit. This example shows how weather data is downloaded over Ethernet from openweathermap.org and displayed on this kit's color QVGA LCD display. First, ensure that the jumper is in the proper position between pins 2 and 3 of J11 to select the in-circuit debug interface, or ICDI, as the power source. Next, connect the included USB cable from the debugger USB connector to the PC to provide power. Ensure that the power LEDs on the left side of the board and the debug LED on the top of the board light up. Next, connect the included Ethernet cable from the board to a router or hub. Ensure that Ethernet LEDs light up to show activity, which is the green LED, link, the red, and 100 megabit speed, amber. It's important to note that if your computer is on a network behind a corporate firewall, you will need to enter information about your corporate proxy server to access the Internet. Swipe the display from top to bottom to access the Settings menu. Click the slider next to Proxy to turn the proxy on and enter your proxy information. You know a connection is made when an IP address is shown at the bottom of the display. To return to the weather application, swipe from bottom to top. You should now begin to see weather data appearing on the display. The application shows the city name, current conditions, current temperature, and forecasted high and low temperatures. You can swipe left to right or right to left on the display to scroll through a list of 30 pre-selected cities. You can also enter a custom city by going back to the setting menu and tapping on the slider next to the custom city box to turn that option on. To enter a new city, tap inside the text entry box to bring up the on-screen keyboard. Type in the city name and hit enter. To return to the weather application, swipe the display from bottom to top again. You can view the new city's information appended to the end of the list. If you want to view the temperature in Fahrenheit instead of Celsius, return to the Settings menu and move the slider next to Temperature from C for Celsius to F for Fahrenheit. This concludes our demonstration of the weather display example application on the new Tiva TM4C129X Connected Development Kit.